Welcome to Use-Free Sound Recorder. This tutorial will show you how to record streaming audio. Click Select Folder to select Output folder. Click Settings. In General Settings, you can select the output format. Then, in Output Format Settings, specify the corresponding parameters. You can use presets provided, or specify the parameters as needed. Click Device. Choose the recording device, and make sure to select Stereo Mix in Recording Mixer. If the audio you are streaming is detected, you can see the signal on the LEDs. Adjust the volume and balance. Click Record, enter the output name, and click OK. Click Stop to finish recording. Your recording has output as audio file directly. Click View Files to find it.